Alright students, I'm going to be taking a photo of some watercolor I did for this project. So I'm going to zoom in and then get this shot like so. I'm going to go to my photos. As you can see, I took it. So obviously you could edit it and adjust it. So sometimes it helps to have a little bit more contrast on these. Hit done. I'm going to go to my Photoshop Express app and I'm going to choose the option in the upper right says combine photos. So first I'm going to select a photo that I took. And I want to hit this little plus button. There's my layer. And I just want to hit the plus button and then choose that photo. And so you'll see different options. At the bottom says edit, transform, blend. Edit will let you choose different looks. You could adjust each layer independently. Adjust the brightness, the contrast, all that too. What I want to do is hit the blend option and you'll see the different blending modes. If you tap on them, you'll see the different, how they blend differently. So you can see with this type of setup, if it's kind of a black area that you want to show clear, that would be lighten your screen. If it's a light area that you want to go clear, that would be multiply or darken. And so you can choose between which layers. So if I click on the top layer, I can zoom in, pinch out, I can rotate it and adjust it as needed. I can click on the bottom layer and adjust that as needed as well. Maybe I need to, fit it a certain way. So you can free transform each layer. You can also click on edit and edit each layer. Like maybe I want my lower layer of the flowers to be more saturated. So maybe I'll go into, vibrance, increase that. And then click on the upper left where it says combine photos, the little arrow back, and I'll update it. I can click on the top layer and adjust that as well. So if I wanted to add more contrast to get those blacks a little darker, you can do that. And so you can heal on it. It gives you a lot of different options. You can click between the layers. You can size them, adjust them, pivot them. So it's pretty useful. What I'm going to do now is hit the little box with the arrow in the upper right. I'm going to press that. And make sure it's set to JPEG and it's set to the full size, and then hit the save button and it'll save it to your phone. And so that'll show up in your photo album like so. So there's my mixed media from a watercolor and an image put together. All right, thanks.